Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pin YouTube to Windows 11 taskbar. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to simply open Windows on your browser and then you're going to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Here, you're going to scroll down and click on this option that says Cast, Save and Share on Chrome. And you're going to click on Install YouTube as an app. And if you're using Edge, then you'll be able to see an option of apps. Simply click on that and then install that as an app. Here, you'll be able to see install app. So what you're going to do is simply click on the button of install and just wait for YouTube to get installed. And once done, you'll be able to see that it says, would you like to pin YouTube to your taskbar? Simply click on yes. But if for some reasons you have missed that, then you can simply go to the start menu and you'll be able to see YouTube as shortcut appear over there. So simply click on start and search for YouTube. And here you're going to right click on it. And once you do so, you'll be able to see the option of pin to taskbar. And once you do click on that, you'll be able to see YouTube pinned on the taskbar as an app. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.